English with EduWorld.
Learn English. Connect with world.
Hey everyone, welcome back to English with EduWorld. I'm Anna, and I'm really happy you're here with us today because we're talking about something that can completely change the way you sound when you speak English. We're diving into the real secret behind natural pronunciation and speak naturally.
And I'm Kenny. If your goal is to sound clear, smooth, and confident when you speak English, not perfect, just natural, then you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and stay with us because today we're giving you something you can use immediately in real life.
Hey Kenny, look at this pile on my desk. I just received my electric bill, the water bill, and even a statement from my bank. It feels like everyone wants a piece of my paycheck today.
I know that feeling, Anna. Most people feel a bit overwhelmed when the rent or mortgage payment is due. It's like a monthly puzzle we all have to solve.
Exactly. A puzzle is a great way to put it. But you know what? Instead of just paying them and feeling tired, I've started looking at these invoices as a way to track my progress.
That's the spirit. Today we're going to help our listeners at English with EduWorld turn that puzzle into a clear plan. We'll show you how to manage your cell phone bill and other costs so you can actually keep more of your hard-earned money.
Stay tuned because we're diving into the bright side of financial freedom right now. You know, Kenny, the real challenge isn't the big bills like rent or mortgage. We always remember those because they are important.
I agree. The real puzzle often comes from the little things we don't notice. For example, those small streaming subscriptions or that extra cable bill for channels we never even watch.
Exactly. It's like having a small leak in a water pipe. You don't see it immediately, but at the end of the month, your statement shows a different story than you expected.
And sometimes we get comfortable just paying the credit card minimum because it feels easy. But that small choice can keep us from reaching our bigger goals, like buying a new car or traveling.
So the problem isn't that we don't have enough, it's just that our focus is sometimes scattered on too many small invoices. We need to bring that focus back. So Kenny, how do we fix those little financial leaks without giving up all the fun? I don't want to feel restricted, I want to feel free.
The secret, Anna, is not about cutting everything out. It's about organizing. I use the 50-30-20 rule. It helps me manage everything from my daily cell phone bill to those unexpected costs.
Tell me more. How do we categorize all those different invoices we get in the mail?
Well, 50% goes to needs. These are your fixed bills like rent, mortgage, and your utility bills. You know, the electric, water, gas, and sewer and trash bills. You also include your auto insurance and car payment here.
What about the things that don't happen every month, like property taxes or that annual insurance premium?
Great question. We call those irregular bills. You should still put them in the 50% category, but save a little bit for them each month. Even things like HOA fees or student loan payments fit right in there.
I love that. So once the needs are covered, the rest is for wants, like my streaming subscriptions and savings. It makes the whole statement look a lot friendlier.
Exactly. When you give every dollar a home, you stop worrying about who will pick up the tab at dinner because you're already in control.
Okay, Kenny, I'm sold on the 50-30-20 rule, but how do I actually start? My desk is still full of different invoices.
Let's break it down into 3 simple steps, Anna. Step 1, the grand list. Take every statement you have, from your electric bill to your internet bill, and write them all down.
Got it. I'll list the fixed bills like my rent and even the irregular bills like my property taxes. What's next?
Step 2, the subscription audit. Look at your wants. Do you really need 5 different streaming subscriptions? Or a top-tier cable bill if you only watch YouTube?
That's a good point. I can definitely trim some of those to save for my savings goal. And the final step?
Step 3, automate the needs. Set up automatic payments for your cell phone bill, car payment, and insurance premium. This way, you never miss a deadline and your credit score stays healthy.
I love love it. It's like putting my finances on autopilot. Now I can focus on my work and family instead of worrying about when the gas bill is due.
Exactly. You're not just paying bills anymore, you're managing a system that works for you.
Kenny, everything sounds great on paper, but does it really work in real life? I mean, life happens.
It definitely does, Anna. Let me tell you about my cousin, Mike. Last year, he was living hand to mouth. He had no idea where his money went between his rent and those high credit card minimums.
Oh, I know many people in that boat. It's hard to keep your head above water when the utility bills keep piling up.
Exactly. But Mike decided to get his act together. He started by cutting out 3 streaming subscriptions he wasn't even using. Then he called his insurance company and managed to lower his premium by 15%.
Wow, he really cut corners in the right places. Did it make a big difference?
Huge. In just 6 months, he saved enough to pay off his student loan completely. Now he's no longer strapped for cash. He even has an emergency fund for unexpected invoices like car repairs.
That's amazing. So he went from being in the red to being in the block just by following these steps?
He sure did. Mike is living proof that you don't need to make a killing to be financially stable. You just need a good plan.
Kenny, Mike's story is a game changer. But to follow in his footsteps, we need to speak the language of money. Some of these terms on my statement are still a bit clear as mud to me.
Haha, I've got your back, Anna. Let's clear the air. First, do you know the difference between an invoice and a statement?
Let me guess. Is an invoice a request for payment for a specific service, like when a plumber fixes my sink?
Spot on. And a statement is like a monthly report card from your bank or credit card company. It shows everything you spent, not just one bill.
Got it. And what about that word premium? It sounds like something expensive or high quality.
That's a common mix-up. In the world of finance, a premium is simply the regular price you pay for your auto insurance or health insurance. It's not a luxury, it's just the cost of being protected.
Oh, that makes sense. So when I pay my utility bills, I'm paying for my electric, gas, and water. But if I'm at a restaurant and you say, I'll pick up the tab, I should just say thank you and enjoy my meal, right?
Exactly. You're on the ball, Anna. Whether it's a car payment or a cell phone bill, knowing these names helps you stay on top of things.
Kenny, after hearing Mike's story and learning all these terms, I feel like a weight has been lifted off my shoulders. Managing money doesn't feel like a scary task anymore.
That's the spirit, Anna. You know, many people think financial freedom is about having a deep pocket, but it's actually about having a clear mind. When you control your bills, you control your life.
I love that. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep and how wisely you use it. We don't have to break the bank to enjoy life, right?
Exactly. Living within your means is the best of both worlds. You get to enjoy your streaming subscriptions today while building a nest egg for your future. It's all about balance.
So, to everyone listening at English with EduWorld, don't let a utility bill or a car payment get you down. Look at them as small steps on your journey to success. You have the power to turn the tide.
Well said. Remember, every big forest starts with a single seed. Start managing your invoices today, and tomorrow you'll be sitting pretty.
Wow, what an incredible chat, Kenny. I feel so much more pumped up to tackle my utility bills now. But you know, the best part of this journey is that we're not doing it alone.
Exactly, Anna. To everyone listening, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Which bill do you find the most challenging to manage? Is it the cell phone bill or those sneaky streaming subscriptions? Drop a comment and let's get the ball rolling.
And if you found today's tips helpful, why not join our growing family here at English with EduWorld? We love sharing these little aha moments with you every week. Just hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop for our next lesson.
That's right. No pressure, just a community of people learning English and growing together. If you think this could help a friend who's strapped for cash, feel free to share the love.
Thank you for spending your time with us today. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and remember,
Learn English. Connect with the world. Bye for now.